Hello, today I'll be comparing Mr.Coffee stainless steel 10 cup programmable coffee maker versus Keurig KSlim SingleServe K-cup hot coffee maker. Be sure to watch to see and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Type of coffee: Mr.Coffee is better. Brewing capacity: Mr.Coffee is better. Programmability: Mr.Coffee is better. Brew strength control: Mr.Coffee is better. Iced coffee brewing at stay. Hot coffee brewing: Mr.Coffee is better. LCD display is stay. Milk frozen at stay. Water reservoir: Mr.Coffee is better. Heating speed: Keurig is better. Ease of use: Keurig is better. Filter type: Mr.Coffee is better. Size portability: Keurig is better. Cleaning: Keurig is better. Footprint design: Keurig is better. Build quality: Mr.Coffee is better. Special features: Mr.Coffee is better. Price: Mr.Coffee is better. Who's best for Mr.Coffee is better. Coffee quality: Mr.Coffee is better. Durability: Mr.Coffee is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Mr.Coffee stainless steel 10 cup programmable coffee maker. The link to buy it is in the video description.